Okay. Oh, this is so great. Oh my God, I can't wait to wear it.
Yeah, it smells good too.
Oh my God, it's so nice.
Isn't that awesome?
Seriously.
I've never seen one.
Oh my God.
I've never seen a pink
Oh my God, I
leather
can't believe how nice it is.
tool
Whoa.
apron.
I'm gonna put my pen in it.
Okay.
And I have chalk. I'm gonna put my chalk in it.
You know what? There's going to be some other boxes coming for you.
Really?
Okay? Yeah, a few more things, that you may need.
Okay.
All right? So
Okay.
you want to give me a tour and tell me
Yeah.
what
Yeah,
is
let's
going
go.
on in the other room?
You got it.
Okay.
So we have a lot of things because
I'm just going to keep this rolling.
sure. So I've got the upstairs and the downstairs. Both places need to have some things done to them, but we're going to start downstairs.
Okay.
And just taking a look in here, you can see how drab it is. I'll point it out to you. You know, when I'm going to be shooting my YouTube channel, I want to have pretty back walls here. And
Of course you
so
do.
On my list is I want to paint this wall pink back here.
Okay.
Fix up my air conditioner because that looks awful.
Okay.
Paint this. I use this toolbox here a lot, so this will be in the background.
Okay.
It's a metal box, and I'm sure you know how to handle metal and show me how to paint with metal.
What kind of paint what color are you doing that?
I don't know.
Oh, okay.
Pink's always an option, but probably white, maybe
White. Okay. All right.
And then the big job here as well is going to be this tool bench. I got this workbench from the original owner, and it's got years of glue on it, and it's got this cutting board that I use all the time, but as you can see, I do get glue on things.
Yeah.
It's just a part of the job, but I would like to, we were talking about maybe figuring a new solution, and I might have come up with something to resurface that with.
Okay.
But I'll need your help. And then painting.
Yes.
So painting our bench.
Yes, because you know what? We're going to do this on a budget.
That's right.
And we're not going to spend very much money with this.
No.
Because, we don't need to. This is in the back, and to make your YouTube videos, that's all we're going to have to do.
Yep.
All right?
And I have stuff. So you told me after I made my list, I went up into my storage of stuff. And
Okay.
I found a lot of things that we're going to use. So
All right.
I have white shelving already, which is going to be really fun because I'm going to take you back to this part of the room.
Shelving.
Yeah. See, I have shoes, and usually this room is filled with shoes everywhere. I'm always looking for a flat surface.
Oh my gosh, look at this pink wall.
We're going to keep going pink.
Is pink your favorite color, by the
Pretty
way?
much.
Huh?
And for a girl's shoe store, I mean, it's just perfect to have the pink.
Yes, pink dress, pink. Oh, pink shoe over there.
Right.
So
we're going to put shelves up here.
Okay.
I've got lots of white shelving already that you're going to show me how to cut and hang them up here on the wall. We'll move some things around here and basically, make some space. And then also, as you can, I have had a lot of things put on the internet already. I've been taped a lot or interviewed a lot. And you always see this ugly wall here or this ugly wall over here. And so we're going to paint that as well.
Okay.
So I have a nice view, whichever camera angle it's going to be.
All right.
Yeah. And clean this up. My floors need some work. So we're going to use a environmentally friendly cleaner to get some of this glue up off of the floor. But Joe, I work so hard, I just don't have time to do it all myself. And so I'm so glad you're here to help.
Those are some jazzy shoes.
Thank you. This is my famous hot biscuit. This is what I'm known for.
Yes.
And I work in them because they're so comfortable. So I actually wear this. I wear dresses at work. I wear my cute little aprons to protect my clothing.
Oh, that's cute.
I'll be selling, this is my own apron. It's all worn and dirty right now, but I make these. It's the hot biscuit apron, and they're in pink as well. So when I do my YouTube channel, I'll be selling my cute pink aprons online. So I'm excited about monetizing the channel, Joe. You really hit the nail on the head there. It's a way to make money on the side, and it gives me some flexibility to do what I want to do. It's like Oprah having her own channel. She has full control, and that's what I want.
Hey, remember we're going to do that contest to give away some shoes?
Yes.
Well, that is only going to be in Maui. And I was thinking for all of the women in all other parts of the country, we need to do something for them. And you know what I was thinking of?
What?
maybe you making a pink apron,
That's a great
and we
idea.
can give that away.
That's a great idea.
And they have to be a subscriber first, and you can pick out a winner, and then you can send them a pink apron, maybe with some with a pattern to it too, or something.
Yeah,
if they want
that's a
to.
good idea because I'm going to sell patterns online. That's right. Let's hit the other area too.
Okay.
Remember, this list is long. It's
All
very
right.
long. We've only touched this part.
Holy mackerel! I hope I have enough minutes on my video camera.
So we also have this room because what we missed, I get batches, my shoe repair batches, and they pile up, and I usually have them in this messy spot in the front. But we're
Right.
going to turn this room into more shelving and storage here. So,
Oh yes.
right?
It's a little dark in here, but
Hard
it's
to
just
see.
it's just a small
That's-
little room here, and we're gonna put some shelves in there, right?
And we're also putting lighting.
Oh, that's right.
Right.
We're gonna add some lights up here because it's kind of
It is, it's dark.
It's kind of dark over there.
Yeah, so that'll be nice to do
All right.
that.
All right.
And then the other thing we talked about is this wall. Because for my shoe store, if the shoe fits on Maui, I specialize in things like wedding shoes. And I have this wall over here, which displays my wedding shoes. But it's just kind of a drab color. It makes this paneling look cheap. And so I have fallen in love with this glossy white paint.
Okay.
And I'd like to do that. I'd like to take this down. This will be my special wedding wall. And it'll be really pretty glossy white, and all the shoes will reflect against it. It'll be nice.
Yes.
Yeah. And
All right.
those are the first of the tasks.
Okay.
Are you up for it?
I am up for it, but I think there's another wall that you missed.
Which wall?
This black wall over here.
Oh,
Weren't you
yeah.
gonna paint this wall too?
Yeah, we talked about it.
Huh?
I have to see how tired you are.
This black wall is gonna require maybe a couple coats of primer before we put some finished paint on it. But you were talking about painting this wall here too,
Yeah, it's
weren't
a
you?
good idea.
Or not?
I think if you're up for it, I'll
I'm
take
up for
on.
it. I'm up for it.
Me too. We can always pull in volunteers if we run low on energy.
Hey, we can do it ourselves. We're
Okay.
trying to save some money here, remember?
Volunteers.
Oh, yeah.
They're friends. They want to help. They can't
That's
stand
true.
seeing some of the stuff, and they feel bad for me. They want to come help.
Yeah.
So we can do that.
Okay, all right.
Cool. I'm excited. I can't wait. The next time you see me, I'm going to be wearing my tool belt and an outfit to match.
Yes, where is your, oh, there's your
I
tool
know,
belt
it's so
over there.
cute.
That is, I was kind of hoping that pink was going to be a nice pink because I wasn't quite
It's
sure.
a beautiful pink.
Oh, yeah.
I love it. I'm so happy. Thanks, Joe. Thanks for helping me. And I hope others are going to glean some information from this because you're out there helping people set up YouTube channels, you know,
Yep.
and helping to monetize. It's the new wave of the future, you know, and it's just barely been tapped. And I want to be on that wave with
Yes.
you.
I'm going to help you with this because I want you to make some money and be a success.
Thanks, I can tell. You already have. You
All
came
right.
in and volunteered and helped. Thanks,
Yeah.
Joe.
You're welcome.
Okay. Hey, Joe.
Hey,
How do you like my pinkness?
I do. I like it.
I love it.
Hey, so you ready for this? Tomorrow we're going to start.
Yes.
Where's your
Where's my sign?
sign? Day one
Yeah.
is coming up.
Pink paint, day one.
Yes.
Tomorrow.
Tomorrow night.
That's right.
Be here or be square.
It's like extreme home makeover. We're working from 5 to 10 in the evening after we work all day.
Holy cow.
Oh, we're going to be tired.
All right. See you then.
Thanks,